Hey guys, I'm Tamika and I'm going to sing Set Fire to the Rain. So give me a minute and I will start it from the beginning. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, your roses claimed it. It was art, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too deep to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say that were never true. In the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When late with you, I could stand there, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say that were never true. When the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into flames. Well, it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, I heard you calling, must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into flames. Well, it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh no, let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Well, thanks for watching my video. It was for the first time. Thank you.